How's it going, fellas? It's Mr. Fantastic here, and we finally got to see the first look of Galaxy Note 20, and man does it look good, but more of that in a bit. We're looking at two models, Note 20 and Note 20 Plus, no Ultra model. As I told you in the previous video, it would be a Galaxy Fold 2 instead of Note 20 Ultra, which is a very smart move. We're gonna have 6.4 and 6.9 inch 3K 120Hz displays on Note 20 and Note 20 Plus respectively, and they'll use LTPO technology, meaning that they'll consume less power and they'll be more power efficient. And we're having small punch hole in the middle like the S20, housing the 40 megapixel sensor. Both of them will have up to 16 GB RAM and Snapdragon 865 or Exynos 992 chipsets with improved S Pen, 4300 and 4500 mAh battery on Note 20 and Note 20 Plus respectively, with the 45 watt of fast charging. Plus we got full recall regarding the cameras. We're having 108 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, 13 megapixel periscope camera with 4 times optical zoom, and this time we're not having that 100x gimmick zoom. Instead we're having a 50x zoom, which is still enough in my opinion. And to fix the autofocus issue, Samsung is adding a new laser autofocus so that we may not see that autofocus issue like as we've seen on the S20 Ultra. And also we're not going to have that time of flight sensor. And the new camera module leaks suggest an entirely different design with the rings around the camera, and man does look good. I think that is a pretty smart move, and it even looks better than the Note 10, which is by far the best smartphone design I've ever seen on a Samsung phone. And as much as I want Aura Glow on it, I also want a matte finish, but we don't yet have confirmation on it. It'll be launched online in the month of August. Either way, I'm pretty pumped up for this. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys in the next vid.